Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back once again to Fat Cat Collections. Another great product for your boating, camping, your outdoor experiences, and that is this awesome, what is it, guys? It's not a watch, that's for sure. This is one of your outdoor emergency radios. And I gotta tell you, guys, I know I ramble on a lot, I know I talk a lot, but I'm giving you guys my honest opinion on this stuff. I'm giving you guys my honest reaction to these products. And, you know, it makes me happy. What can I say? I'm excited to share cool products with you guys. And I'm even more excited to get this stuff for free. Well, that's like my favorite word, free. And so I want to thank this company. It's one of the Amazon sellers, Kuwugi, Kuwugi, for their generosity and wanting to collaborate. And it's great because stuff like this, you know, I'm not loaded, I'm not rich. So there's things that I'll be like, all right, well, how much use is it going to get? Am I really going to use it? You know, a couple times a year, I'll probably put it off, right? And so with stuff like this, it's great to get my hands on it because I know I can use it. I know I can enjoy it. But would I rationalize sometimes spending the money on it? Maybe, maybe not. It just depends. So I love the fact that companies care enough to reach out and, you know, and find value in my channel and me sharing this stuff with you guys. So, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's great. Every day is like Christmas around here. So, so let's talk about this radio. So I'm a huge boater. Although, like I said, I don't have a boat. I don't live on a boat. My buddy's got a boat, so it's kind of like I do have a boat. It's not a huge boat. It's a basic older Bayliner. It has brought me and my friend so much happiness being out in the water, going out and getting that delicious crab. We're learning how to do the fishing thing, although we haven't had a lot of luck yet. But crabbing, we got down. I mean, we nail it. And I love crab. My family loves crab. It is just fantastic to be able to go out and do that. Summertime this year with the pandemic, you know, my buddy was off. I'm off. It's just been great. It made for a summer, which I usually find things to keep busy. I'm generally a pretty happy person. I have a great family. I see them often. They're like they're my life. They're my best friends. My mom, dad, my sister, my brother-in-law. So it's great to see them on a daily basis because one thing we can't get back, you can have all the money in the world, but you'll never get back time that you lose with the ones you love and doing the things you love. So I love my best friend too. We're very like-minded in a lot of ways, but very different. So it's great that we share that. We can go out and enjoy that. During this pandemic, you know, I will say, you know, I keep busy, but, you know, I miss going out to eat. You know, I miss going out to, you know, hit up the casinos whenever you want. You know, I miss those things. Although I'm not really a social person, you know, it's nice to go do those things with the people you want to do them with. And so, you know, this year was a little tough. And again, not tough emotionally, but tough for a lot of people. But it made it that much better that we were able to get out there once a week, sometimes twice a week, and get on that boat and explore the islands and just, you know, I mean, just have a great time. And it's beautiful. It's one of my old coworkers. She gets out on like kind of these cruises once in a while, and she brought up a really great point. She and I, it's not really any kind of deep thought, but she's like, it's really healing out there, and it is a healing place to be. Being out away from people and the beauty that we have on this earth is it's just incredible. So, you know, if you are around beautiful things, depending on where you live, you know, I live 2 places throughout the year. I do the videos from this place, again, undisclosed location, you know, but, you know, I just, wherever you live, I mean, find beauty in it, and every place has some kind of beauty, and just enjoy it, because, you know, it's just, it really is healing, you know. So, without, you know, getting too sentimental, and then I've rambled on for a while, let's talk about this radio. This is super useful for our upcoming camping trips, our boating. We always like to listen to music, and what's nice about this here is that you're ready to go. So, I've been kind of getting involved lately with the pandemic. Is kind of, I'm not an over-the-top prepper, but I want to be prepared for some situations, right? And so you guys have been seeing my videos. I've been getting more firearms. I wouldn't say preparing for anything, but it's just nice to know that you have some sort of preparation should you have a disaster, anything. Just like some of the websites, like the government websites, get a plan, make a kit, having bottled water, having those things in case of a natural disaster, you're going to be somewhat prepared. So I believe this is a great tool to have in your, what they call a bug out bag or a go bag, or your camping bag, or your medic bag. So this is going to go in my medic bag. I just want to show you. I'll do a review on this shortly, giving you guys some ideas. I just went ahead and picked up a couple bags off Amazon. I got a black one, a camo one, and a red one. And what I want to do is make this basically like a search and rescue / medic bag. Again, I'm not a medic. You know, I'm not trained in any sort of medical response or anything like that, but it doesn't hurt to have the stuff. If somebody, if you're going camping, throw this in your car, throw this in your tent, bring it with you. Going on the boat, bring this. I'll have some rope, different things, medical stuff in here, just basic stuff that should you get hurt or somebody gets hurt, you'll have it. Great thing to keep in your car. Most of the time we are around our cars. Very easy to throw this in your trunk and leave it in your trunk. So I'll talk more about that at a later date. Not over the top, just have some things to be prepared. This radio is definitely one of the things that's going to be going in this bag. So what do you get with this radio? So you get an AM/FM NOAA weather band radio, which I didn't even know it had NOAA weather band until I got it home. And I was like, no shit, this is awesome. Because so many companies reach out. A lot of times I'm like, yep, I do a quick check. Let's do it. And then I get it, and then I kind of look at it a little bit more and do the video, right? So what do you get with this? You have a cool clip that, although it's a kind of a little bit of an awkward clip, you can clip this on your maybe a carabiner you might be hanging off your waist or backpack. It's nice to have a clip. You could run it through your bottle opener, so they want to make sure you're drunk when you're lost, right? Just kidding. But they do have a bottle opener. I did think it was kind of an odd addition to this, although it is handy. Because it doesn't always have to be about emergencies, listening to radio, but it's nice that they include it, that they have something on here. It was just probably an empty space. You're like, yep, put a bottle opener on there. Very handy. You have a cover door here, so a little kind of rubberized door. This has your charging port for the onboard lithium-ion battery. It has an earphone port and, of course, a USB, so you can actually plug your phone into this and charge your phone in a pinch or any other kind of USB-powered device. You have a battery door in the back, so you have basically the ability to put 3 AAAs in this device and power it. You have your lithium-ion battery. You have a solar panel, and the best part, you have a hand crank. So this is basically a 4-to-1 power supply radio. So you're never going to be in a situation where you can't get some kind of power with this. Whether you need to charge your phone in a pinch, to make a call, send a text message. It does have a built-in light, and I have to tell you, I was surprised the brightness on this here. I know you probably can't tell by the video, but for something so small, it puts out a considerable amount of light. You also have a siren mode and NOAA weather alert mode. So what you'll do is you can turn this on AM or FM. If you put it on, and I'm not going to do this here, but if you put it on weather alert mode, basically the display will come on, the radio will go dark, go silent, and of course when it broadcasts a weather alert or picks up a weather alert on the channel that you select, you'll pre-program that in by selecting weather band. It's going to give you a little bit of a flash on here, and it'll give you an audible alarm saying, hey, there's a weather alert, it's a severe weather alert. So this is great if you're out. We could use this on opening day crabbing because we woke up to a storm. It was nice going to bed, and we were in some rough water, 3 to 5 foot waves in a little 17-foot boat, and we had to make it back across the bay. I don't want to say we almost died, but it was pretty hairy. Luckily, my buddy reacted, and we didn't capsize. So we were in an area we didn't realize it got shallow, and what happens when you turn a boat sideways in shallow water, and we were having mechanical problems. So it wasn't like we turned sideways. Unfortunately, when the motor died, and so luckily he reacted fast. I was very impressed at how he handled it, and we got out of there. But ultimately, this would have been great the night before. If we had a weather alert kick on, we would have maybe reacted and went home. Woke up, packed up, got out of there. But it is what it is. We'll use it in the future. Again, you got that solar panel, an antenna. Some radios don't have, I know it sounds like a weird thing, but some radios don't have an extendable antenna. This is definitely going to add to your reception. A lot of times you don't have the best reception where you're at. So that's fantastic. Again, and that's really about, you also have your SOS feature. So if you go ahead and press and hold the alarm feature here, and I think it's right here, it's kind of loud. There you go. Right in the eye. So again, super loud audible alarm. This will flash SOS, so you don't have to worry about that. If you're in a situation that you need help, you can prop this up. It's got to give makes quite a bit of noise, and of course broadcast that SOS signal, and somebody might find you. So great thing to have. Very affordable. This is only $39.99 shipped to your door with Prime. And if you're, I don't know if you guys are, but if you are a credit card holder with Amazon Prime, you get 5% cash back on anything you buy. So it's instant 5% off. So it's fantastic. I use mine all the time. Whether I want to pay cash or not, I always throw in the card, pay the bill at the end of the month for all the stuff that I buy. In this case, I didn't buy this, so it's fantastic. Great, great, great device. Super happy. Perfect timing because I just started to put this bag together and this company reached out. I was like, absolutely, that's a great, great product. That's about it, guys. Also, just to let you know, it does come with a free gift. Or included in the package, and it's this right here. I know you guys have seen these, they're all over the place. Paracord bracelet. They're about $6 to $9. You get that included as well. And normally I'd be like, I don't need that, but it's great because this is a perfect addition to this bag. You have a small knife on the end here, sort of like a serrated edge. You have another bottle opener. You know, they want to keep you happy. Built-in compass, a whistle, your paracord if you need to use that for anything, tie something, you can disassemble this, and you have a what do they call this? This is a, I always draw a blank on the name. This is your fire starter. It is a magnesium flint. So you basically spark that, you can start a fire. A little practice. Luckily, my buddy, I never have to worry about this stuff. Whenever I go anywhere involved camping, I go with him, and you know, he is really involved in this stuff. So I don't have to, I delegate. I don't have to worry about starting a fire. If I did, I'd have a little bit of a problem doing that without modern things like matches and cigarettes, you know. He basically starts a fire every time we go with a magnesium flint. So it's just fantastic. He sparks the shit out of this thing and we have a fire. So it's a great addition. I'll have an extra, I'll have a backup. Again, having this in your go bag or your medic bag in my case, or your search and rescue bag, whatever you want to call it. And again, I don't want this to come across, I see so many YouTubers, and no disrespect to anybody, but they come across like, oh, you have all this stuff like they've been in these situations. Remember, guys, when you watch people on YouTube, some are actors, some are real. You're always going to get the real story with me. There's other guys out there playing dress up. And so I'm just saying that, you know, watch a lot of people, find out their credentials, just like me. Don't listen to everything I say. Take what I say with a grain of salt. You know, do your research, see if people agree, and make the best educated choice on anything you do. Whether you buy something or don't buy something, choose a brand, don't buy it. Make the best choice, buy what's ultimately going to work out for you, and that's all that matters. I'm here to share with you guys this cool products. This is going to work great for me. I'm happy with it. What's cool, I know it sounds dumb, but I've been using this just at my desk while I'm working, and I put on a little FM radio. So this is going to get a lot of use across the board. It's fantastic. So that's it, guys. I want to thank the company. Let me try to say their name again here. Kuwugi. I don't know why they just don't keep it simple, but there's so many Amazon sellers that have these odd names. A lot of them are Chinese-based companies, so there's always a little bit of that language barrier. But hey, either way, you get a great product. It works well, and you know, if you don't like it with Amazon, you can send it back. So their return policy is fantastic. Amazon really wants to take care of you as a customer. Very easy. You get it? Oh, I hate it. Print the label, send it back, drop it off. You don't have to do anything. Drop it off at a UPS box. You're done. So Amazon is honestly my go-to for buying anything. You really can't go wrong. So if I can help you guys in any way, drop me a comment, drop me a message. I'm always here to help. Email address in the description of every single video. Give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you like or don't like it. As always, guys, have a wonderful weekend and take care.